So right now, at the time of filming this video, we're waiting for a few things in the crypto market. We're still waiting for obviously the CPI report that by the time this video comes out will in fact be out, and it'll probably set at least some of our direction for the day. We're probably going to see a lot of volatility, like I talked about in my earlier ADA video. But really, what we're waiting for again in the crypto market is inauguration. We've talked about this a bunch, and in fact, there's a theory that I have about how this pump post inauguration is going to look, and there is actually some data supporting we may follow what we did actually earlier on in 2024 across the crypto market. So I want to have a discussion about this with you guys. So if you're new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So Shiba Inu again just stuck in its trend, volatility all over the place, keeps testing this 4021, and really I hope we continue to hold this. All right. Today may be a day where we get another breach of this and potential throwback. I mean, if people are playing games in the market and try to sell things off, don't be surprised if we get some of this volatility. Just going to warn people right now, right? We may see SHIB again do one of these, maybe confirm a lower low here, which would actually be kind of nice because then we could in fact be setting up kind of a smaller inverse head and shoulders. That'd be actually really nice in terms of a trend. You know, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. But really, once we get past this, the next thing we're focusing on is inauguration. Inauguration is going to be a very big deal for the crypto market because, again, there is this pro-crypto administration that is coming in that may provide not just a lot of clarity, but a lot of excitement across the crypto market. And why this is important is we've seen some very important changes over the last 2 weeks in terms of meme coins. So what we've actually seen is the total market cap of meme coins fall below $100 billion. All right. It's been a while since we've been below here. And the total market cap, at least at the time that this press was done, was at 99 billion. We actually saw volume for meme coins drop across the crypto market down to $11 billion. This was actually a drop this is even after our surge. It was a drop to $11 billion in daily trading volume. So things have gotten kind of quiet in terms of meme coins in general, and that's fine. All right, I'm okay with the calm before the storm. I'm okay with us kind of catching our breath before things really get exciting. Now, obviously, what this is mentioning is this excitement surrounding the new administration, the pump that would ensue might be a very exciting one, and we've talked about this in terms of SHIB in general. We're kind of waiting for our breakout, our next extension here. But the theory that I have is we may follow a very similar snowball trend like we did earlier on in 2024. And what I mean by that is if you guys remember, we did not all pump at once, right? Really, the things that led the way at that point were some of your layer ones, a little bit of excitement building around L1s. Then you saw the AI crypto movements. You saw, Render, Fetch, amongst many others go on their surges. And then it really wasn't until later on in February that meme coins really started to do their thing and catch their steam. And we obviously saw SHIB at that time do a 4.5x run. And what's interesting about this is we need to look at what people outside the space are looking at. What is their focus on right now? And where things have actually been changing is we have seen a couple things on the rise and we have seen a couple things on the drop. So specifically when we're looking at these trends since basically January 1, where have things been headed since that time? We obviously got a little burst of excitement. So the red one is AI, the yellow line is US crypto, and the blue one is meme coins. So since January 1st, we've actually seen a couple important changes here. We have actually seen meme coin search traffic drop significantly during that time. We've seen AI search traffic pump, kind of come back down, and then slowly starting to work its way back to the upside. And we have seen US crypto interest actually on the rise. Now, this isn't surprising at all because, again, the big narrative surrounding inauguration is US-based crypto, this potential for a US crypto embrace, this potential for no capital gains tax on US crypto. This is what a lot of people are focused on right now. Obviously, we've talked about this in terms of ADA and many others in the space. But when we talk about inauguration in general, that may be where you start to see the pump be led. They may be the ones that do, in fact, create this infusion of capital into the crypto market. And that's what's necessary, right? We need capital to come in and start moving around the space. So US crypto, a pro crypto embrace, may be the burst of excitement in the market. That doesn't necessarily mean that SHIB is going to hit this and just do one of those, right? What we saw earlier on last year is we actually saw SHIB kind of come out and do kind of putz around and test before eventually making its move. And we may see this similar kind of matriculation. At least that is what the search data is showing. We may see US crypto bring capital into the space. It may trickle down and move to AI crypto. And then obviously meme coin search traffic still leads all these sectors. Then you start to see meme coins get hit in a big way. It doesn't mean you have to wait forever, but it may mean that this big explosive move, like we're talking about, the big one that we're waiting on, the new all-time high surge for SHIB, the new push to insane heights, may just take slightly longer than people anticipate. Now, I know people are going to be pissed and say, oh my gosh, it should happen right now. We've been waiting forever. And I get it, right? We're talking about a difference of maybe 1 month, all right? Not that much time. I have a feeling that by the time we hit March, SHIB is going to be in a very good spot price-wise. It's probably going to be higher than where we're at now. We may be setting a new cycle high, maybe above or on our way to a new all-time high as well. Just understand that there's a certain way that these things typically play out. Now, that being said, this theory could be completely wrong, all right? And what I mean by this is maybe this excitement surrounding it, the new administration, just causes surges across the crypto market. We may see these things, these shifts take place over the course of just days. We have seen these sub-cycles happen before where AI coin was hot for like 2 days, 3 days, then meme coins were hot for a few days as well. It happens faster and faster, okay? And understand that things are going to get really wild once we start getting into mass adoption. Remember, during this time, there's about 400 million new crypto users that have to enter the space before the end of this market cycle if we are to keep the pace that we are on currently. If we're going to keep the pace with faster adoption than things like the internet, cell phone, that's what history is showing us right now. So understand that I am hyper bullish. That's not the right word. I am extremely bullish. Hyperbolic is something else. Anyways, I'm extremely bullish about the future, as you guys can't tell, or if you can't tell, I'm losing my voice a little bit here. But nothing has changed. I am a hyper bull when it comes to Shiba Inu. I'm excited about the future because we know that all these fundamentals are aligning for a very exciting and explosive move ahead. Just sit back, relax, and prepare for the show. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think that this is going to play out this way? Are we going to get this burst of excitement all at once? Is this going to take longer? Is it never coming? Have a great day. Show your love. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.